today we are making a Szechuan pickle jar and I'm so excited. Basically, I saw a video on TikTok of Vivian.
Hi, Vivian here again today making Sichuan pickles.
Making her Szechuan pickle jar and I was like, dang, I gotta try that. So, what we are gonna wanna do is get some brine in here. So I've got 5% brine in here. We've sort of partially filled it. We might need to top it up a little bit. And in here, I have put a couple of dried Sichuan chilies, some Sichuan peppercorns, which I ordered from a place called Spice Mountain online, really good spices. And also there's a couple of pieces of Ethiopian black pepper in here, which is really exciting. So, boom. I've cut up a load of vegetables here, as you can see. So we have got carrots, we've got radishes, got a whole head of cauliflower. I think there are a couple of peppers in here as well, some garlic, a couple of garlic cloves. I just literally grabbed whatever was fresh in the farm shop, whatever I'd lying around. I'm gonna pickle it, it's gonna be beautiful, yum, 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 yum. What's really interesting about the Szechuan pickle jars is traditionally, these guys keep their pickle brine for a long time. Like I think that Vivian was saying that her pickle jar is 15, like the pickle in it is 15 years old.
The pickle brine is 14 years old. It's older than you.
Which is crazy, right? Over time, that pickle jar is gonna just get more and more exciting. The brine's gonna get more and more exciting. So we're never gonna, unless it goes bad, which we hope it won't, we're never gonna throw the brine away. We're gonna keep it. So let's get some of these veggies in and see how we get on. Gonna get some sweetness into this using the Bon Raw panela, which is the raw cane sugar juice that's dried out, just to add some sweetness. We're gonna do 1 more litre of 5% salt brine, vodka, high percentage booze you want. All right, so what's really cool about this particular contraption is you don't have to burp it. It's gonna let all the gas out itself. So you take this bowl, put it on top here, and then essentially we're gonna create a seal by just putting some water around the edge. I'm just putting some brine I've got around the edge here. So now that's created a seal. Nothing can get in, but any gases can escape. It will probably go proper sexy. Cool. Pride of place in the fermentation station. Yummy. Here we go. Need to put a label on it. Like that one. What's up, guys? It's the Szechuan pickle jar. It's been going for 8 days. To be honest, I wasn't expecting it to get so bubbly so quick, but it's got quite bubbly, and I reckon we should have a cheeky little taste. Just a taste. Get in the chopper. Oh! That's a flavor sensation. Salty, bit sour, got a bit of spice. You can taste the pepper in there. Oh, boys. All right, cool. So I've taken some veg out of the pickle pot, had a little taste, and now we're gonna cook it up and make a Szechuan inspired dish.